Ready.
Just look at
8 seconds.
I'll get this guy's.
Whatever it's in there worked. When you're ready. Ready. No. Put it away. Yes. Oh. It's fun. It's fun. More concerned about his camera. Is it good?
It's still recording.
Oh, sweet. PR3. Yeah, no. 8 seconds. Yes! That napped. What's your PR? That's PR. Yeah, I mean, I literally just asked you. Wow. What a shot. 8 seconds. Oh, I think it's 6 flat PR, 6 flat average, guaranteed.
No way.
What's your PR average? No, serious question though. 619 beforehand, but hang on. Or is it? No. No, it's sub 6. I've done it. That's it. That's sub 6. Wait. Give me the scorecard real quick. 645 plus 641 plus. Let's go. 597. That's the right there. Eight seconds. 12. That's it though, double PRs. 597 average, 416 single. 597 average.
Alright, do you want to go and start like right now?
Yeah. What the heck is going on? Look at the crowd that we've formed here as well.
Hey, Mike.
I got third, what?
Yeah, you won on single. Obviously, you got third.
Dude,
you won on single.
I'm so happy.
Oh my goodness me.
Oh, so
Wow.
many, so many PRs.
What a sight.
Oh, come on, get us up 5.